Hello guys, and welcome to mattsbeamer. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the high beam on a BMW F20 F21 1 Series, the pre-facelifted version with the halogen bulbs. So what we're going to do now is quickly jump into the car and flash the headlight flasher, the high beam, so you can see which bulb it is. And flashing the lights now. Okay, that flashing one is the high beam. So let's quickly open the bonnet by pulling this one here 2 times and gently lift up, and voila. So the next thing you need to do is to undo this cap here by turning it anti-clockwise. Voila. And inside you will see all the connections for the bulbs.
First, remove the daytime running bulb and put it to the side, out of the way. I did a more in-depth video on this bulb. I'll leave the link down below. The next bulb that I am pointing to is the high beam. You will need to grab the black plug area and turn it anti-clockwise, then pull it out. When the bulb is removed, pay close attention to see how it looks. Think of the pattern on the bulb like a Mercedes star. The long pointy arrow thing sits opposite the top of the Mercedes star. It should only fit one way anyway, due to this little tab. When playing with the bulb, it's best to wear a glove, so you don't end up touching the glass, as the oils in your skin will shorten the life of the bulb. Refitting the bulb is the complete opposite of removal. For me, it was the hardest bulb to change on the car. The 2 side tabs need to lock in behind the 2 silver screw things, and the long pointy thing needs to end up pointing upwards. Sorry I'm not using technical words, and I'm sorry that the filming is not its best. It's very difficult to film this bulb in this tiny little gap. When everything has been refitted, it's best to check all the bulbs on the front to see if they work. I hope this video was of some use. If so, please do a thumbs up and share. If not, please let me know. Thank you and take care. Goodbye.